Hello everyone, this is Sheetal and I am here with yet another travel vlog. This time it is one day picnic spot or an outing which is 45 kilometers from Pune. Yes, it is Hadshi Temple which is situated amidst greenery. Hadshi Temple is dedicated to Lord Vittal Rukmani. You could also find there Lord Ganesha Temple. The entrance is so pleasant and you have ample place for parking which is absolutely free. Hadshi Temple is spread in a vast area of around 300 acres and surrounded by mesmerizing views of mountains all around. So this is the entrance which is so peaceful and serene. At the entrance you will find a pond with lotus or water lilies which really grab my attention. Have a look at these beauties, they are so beautiful. Near the temple there is a cave-like structure which is man-made. Inside this cave you will find many idols and different sculptures which will really grab your attention. And yes, there is a ticket of ₹100 for a 10 years old and above 10 years old ticket of 200. Not only this, there are many adventure sports like rock climbing, shooting, sky cycle, zip line, boating, merry-go-round for small kids, frog ride. This will not make you sit and keep you engaged all the time. There is a canteen, but we did not have our food over there. We had our food in Garwa restaurant, which is an agro-tourism restaurant which is situated in the farm, and the food here is really amazing. We had Kothimbir vadi followed by lunch which was really delicious and yum. So in this way we ended our trip, a day outing which was refreshing. I hope you like my vlog. Keep watching. Thank you. Bye.